It may sound like science fiction, shooting a laser beam and bam, you look younger. Well, it's not quite that easy, but lasers are being used for several cosmetic procedures that are really making a difference. Here to tell us more is Dr. Stephen Davis of Davis Cosmetic Plastic Surgery. Dr. D, this is always so interesting. You always bring in some unique opportunities.
I know. We're trying to do something that's going to be ready for summer. So we thought this would be a great opportunity to show all the different things you can do with the laser.
All right, so let's start with age spots. And Dr. D brought in a before and after. Now tell me what you did here.
Well, right here, what we're seeing is a lot of people that have had sun damage in the past really do come up with these sunspots. A lot of people call them age spots, too. We can take a laser that's specific for those little brown spots and magic, they go away.
Now let's talk about hair removal.
Right.
Because there are some times when women of a certain age have hair in places that they really would not like to have it. So instead of shaving and waxing, what are the options?
Lasers nowadays are really, really advanced. So you can take that exact same laser that you would use on the face and use it in a bikini area or other places.
And so here, as we're looking at this before and after, you can see that there really is a chin line of hair, and this is a woman, and she certainly doesn't want that. And so it seems like it was fairly simple. Would you say so?
Oh yeah, it really is. And the darker the hair, on the lighter the skin, the quicker it works.
Beautiful. Okay, now we have with us Patty O'Neill. Now Patty is here, and she has something that she doesn't quite like about her ankles. Patty, what don't you like about that?
That would be the spider veins in my ankles, especially around summertime. It's always been a bother to me.
All right, so Dr. D, you think you can do something about this?
We can. The interesting thing about this is, again, all these lasers are so specific that we're going to target the blue in the vein. We're wiping off that area, and we're ready to start making this vein go away.
All right, so here we go. And in theory, this really shouldn't be hurting, should it, Patty?
It doesn't hurt.
Doesn't hurt.
It doesn't hurt at all.
So it's little tiny pulses.
Little pulses, and what's happening is, I think you'll be able to see in a second, that that blue is all gone. Patty, is this hurting at all?
Not at all.
Wow, it's amazing. And Doc, this could be done on almost any vein?
Any vein that's really small. And again, one of the most important things is this time of the year, I think a lot of patients, and Patty will be one to tell you, this is one of the areas that people are really very cognizant about.
Wearing sandals.
Sure. When you wear sandals, you go barefoot, you want to look down, you go through the whole process of getting a beautiful pedicure, and then all of a sudden you don't want to have these spider veins showing up.
You can't wait until you get tan, so it hides it a little bit.
Yeah, it sure does.
And there we have it. Hopefully you'll be able to see this in 1 second. And naturally, it takes a little bit of time to do the whole area, but it's done in a very gentle fashion. Take a look, that one's all done.
Wow,
right
my
here.
goodness, look at that. What a difference that makes. And again, Patty, it really didn't hurt at all.
I didn't feel anything, really.
Wow.
That's great.
All right, so again, Dr. D, cutting edge and interesting.
Yeah, it really is. This is the way to go.
All right, thank you so much. Well, for more on Davis Cosmetic Plastic Surgery, you can go to cbsphilly.com and click on To Talk Philly. We're coming right back.